Hey everybody, Dr. Seth Labott with the Cafe of Life Chiropractic Center right here in Mill Valley, California. So last week we spoke about what it means to get up from a laying down position properly so that we don't torque our lower back. We spend about 1/3 of our lives sleeping. Every time we get up from a laying down position, we want to make sure to have proper biomechanics so that we don't torque the lower back. Today we're going to talk about another proper way to be in a laying position. We're going to talk about what it means to support your neck while laying down. So I've got a new product here in the office. It's called the Proper Pillow, and really excited about this product. It's a cool pillow, checked off all the boxes for me, and I just want to give you guys a little bit of an educational tidbit about what you can do to help support your neck while you're sleeping, okay? Pillows are extremely important as it relates to this. So let's take a look at over here. At this diagram over here. So what it means when we're sleeping, we want to support the natural lordosis or the natural curvature of the spine. If we take a look at this x-ray over here, this is an x-ray of a 25-year-old male that is supported properly. This is actually a male sleeping on the proper pillow. You can see it accentuates the natural curve. The curve is about 26.5 degrees, which is right around the range between 20 and 40 degrees that you want to have the neck while you're sleeping. These other ones over here, these are actually in a reverse curve position, and this is not good because it doesn't accentuate the natural curve. So let's take a look at the Proper Pillow. Let's take it out of the bag. Comes with this nice quilted cover in through here, and then it has several components inside which make it really comfortable. So if we take this quilted cover off, then it has this sleeve in through here, which is made of polyester, but it helps to create more cushioning in through here, which is pretty comfortable. Then we take this out and we have one more jersey cover, and then we have this memory foam orthotic in through here, okay? It's not toxic off-gassing, and what it does is it has a hole here to be able to support the natural curvature of your spine. So when you're laying on your back, your head comes over the memory foam. There's two sizes. There's a thicker size here for larger necks, and there is a smaller size over here for smaller necks, but nonetheless, the neck comes over and it accentuates the natural curve just like this. Anyway, great pillow. When you're laying down, you want to be able to support that natural curvature of your spine. You also want to keep it in a neutral position. So this is a great pillow, checked off all the boxes, really comfortable, not too much off-gas, chemicals are low as it relates to these pillows, and the price is pretty good at $60. So wanted to give you guys just a little bit of a better understanding about what it means to actually support your neck while you're sleeping. Really important. As you know, we have a very head-forward society, so everything that we can do to get the neck back, supporting that natural curvature is really important. And since we spend so much time sleeping, it's important to do it when we're spending time 1/3 of our lives sleeping. All right, hope this has been helpful. Look forward to catching up with you next time. Thanks.